In front of me is Poco C61 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock. Now tap on this icon of an alarm at the top left corner and click on this plus at the bottom in the middle to create one. Following that, adjust it however you wish to. At the top, set up an hour. Then hit repeat to pick one of those options. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you decided to select custom, pick days of the week manually and save them by hitting OK. Now tap on ringtone to hit add ringtone and pick any song from your device, or click on one of those melodies. Then use this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable it. Hit label to name it and hit OK to save its name. Finally, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, manage it, and click on this check mark at the top right corner. If you want to delete it, you need to hold it and click on delete button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!